So we drove about, a couple miles down the road, and we are, where are we?
We're now in Fairview, Texas, which is just kind of nestled between Allen and McKinney in Collin County.
Okay, and it's just all one level home, and I think you were saying that it was built in the 1980s, and they did some recent renovations to it.
They have, yes. It's about 3,500 square feet, built in 1980, and we're sitting on 1.97 acres. But you'll see they've updated to make a chef's dream kitchen, updated all the bathrooms, and really made it a very nice place to live.
Yeah, and it's got all those creature comforts, country creature comforts like a rain catcher. I learned what a rain catcher is today. That's exciting. But a chicken coop. It's got an area for livestock if you want to have cows or whatever you want back there. And just, a lot of land, right? And that's the key. That's what everybody wants when they move to Texas. They want land. So here you go, and it's actually for sale, right?
It is. Yes, it's currently listed at $849,000. for the 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and the nearly 2 acres.
Okay, so if you want to snatch it up, definitely give Grace a call.